Enhancing the beauty and functionality of your front garden can significantly elevate the curb appeal of your home. By integrating hardscaping features such as stone borders and gravel pathways, you can create a structured garden design that harmonizes with both the natural landscape and your property's architecture. This guide will explore how to effectively incorporate these elements into your front garden beds, achieving a perfect landscaping balance that unifies the entire outdoor space. Hardscaping features, including stone borders and gravel pathways, play a crucial role in defining the layout of your front garden. Stone borders serve not only as practical boundaries for your garden beds, but also as elegant accents that frame your plants and flowers. The use of various stone types, ranging from smooth river rocks to rugged field stones, allows you to add texture and character, contributing to a cohesive aesthetic that enhances your home's exterior. Gravel pathways are a versatile option for creating outdoor pathways that guide visitors through your garden. Unlike traditional concrete or paving stones, gravel provides a softer, more natural feel, which complements the organic elements of soft landscaping. When designing your gravel pathways, consider the size and color of the gravel to ensure it aligns with your overall design vision, promoting visual flow throughout the space. To achieve a structured garden design, it's essential to plan your pathways carefully. Use curves and lines to lead the eye naturally through the garden, encouraging exploration while maintaining accessibility. Pairing your gravel pathways with stone borders can further enhance this effect, creating clear demarcations between different areas of your garden. A successful front garden is one that balances hardscaping and soft landscaping elements. While stone borders and gravel pathways provide the structure, the plants and flowers in your garden beds add life and vibrancy. Choose a mix of perennials, annuals, and shrubs that thrive in your local climate, ensuring that you have color and texture throughout the seasons. When planning your garden, think about height and scale as well. Taller plants can provide a backdrop, while shorter flowers can fill in the foreground, ensuring that every aspect of your front garden interacts harmoniously with the hardscaping features. To create a visually appealing front garden, it's important to consider the overall aesthetic. Select stone borders and gravel that complement the colors and materials of your home. Additionally, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic throughout the garden will enhance its overall impact. This can be achieved by repeating certain design elements, such as using the same type of stone for borders and decorative features, or choosing plants that share a common color palette. Transforming your front garden into an inviting and structured space is achievable through the skillful integration of stone borders and gravel pathways. By focusing on hardscaping features that complement your soft landscaping elements, you can create a balanced and cohesive outdoor environment that enhances your home's charm. Whether you aim for a contemporary look or a more rustic feel, the key lies in thoughtful design and attention to detail. Embrace the art of landscaping and let your front garden become a stunning reflection of your personal style.